Welcome. Today we will configure provided accommodation allowances within the Hinawi ERP system. Established in 1998, our system provides full bilingual Arabic and English support for your enterprise workflows. Before we begin, verify you are logged in with administrative access. You will also want to have your company's approved compensation matrix ready to reference. Having your compensation numbers confirmed beforehand ensures the configuration is accurate from the start, preventing costly retroactive payroll calculation errors across your organization. Every new financial rule requires a definitive starting point to function correctly. Step 1 is to verify the effective from date. Set this to the exact day your policy begins. Entering an incorrect date here will cause retroactive payroll failures. If you are recreating an existing policy, use the Copy Previous Setup function, a quick shortcut for importing older rules to save time. Now that the timeline is established, let's look at the main table to define exactly which employees will receive this benefit. First, assign the allowance type to Benefit Provided and set the department specifically to the Accounts Department. To narrow the demographic further, we use the Position column to target a specific role. Here, we select Accountant. Next, select Both under the Nationality setting. This ensures the policy applies universally to all accountants on your team, regardless of citizenship. Building this precise demographic profile ensures the allowance is exclusively automated for the correct tier of employees, fully preventing accidental overpayments. With the recipients defined, we enter the financial configuration phase to set the specific monetary boundaries. Because this policy uses a sliding scale based on seniority, leave the fixed column at 0. A static number here would override the flexible ranges we need to establish. Instead, enter your specific financial bounds directly into the range columns, a minimum limit of $30,000 and a maximum limit of $60,000. Setting up these flexible compensation bands takes only seconds. And because Hinawi ERP features a bilingual Arabic and English interface, your regional HR teams can configure these parameters in their native language. The final step in this row is allocating the pension splits to comply with regional labor laws. First, define the employee's burden by entering 5% into the pension EMP column. Then, set the company's matching burden by entering 15% into the pension comp column. Accurately splitting this contribution exactly at the source guarantees automated compliance during future company audits. Before you finish, do not close the window using the standard X in the corner. Doing so will instantly delete all of your recent inputs. To preserve your work, direct your attention to the dedicated control menu at the bottom of the screen. Click the specific Save and Close button to permanently commit these new allowance rules to your payroll database. Utilizing this correct save function is the only way to activate these rules for the upcoming payroll cycle. And you are done. Your accountants will now automatically receive this benefit and the defined pension splits during the next payroll. Click the screen to watch our next tutorial on processing monthly payroll with Hinawi ERP.